Finding affordable flights. Hunting for cheap flights is an art, but it's one that every budget traveler can master. Start with flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights, which allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and dates. Tools like Fare Alerts help you snag deals before they disappear. Flexibility is your best friend when it comes to booking flights. Being open to flying on weekdays, early mornings, or late nights can significantly reduce ticket prices. Opt for connecting flights instead of direct ones when possible, as these often come at a lower cost. Exploring alternate airports is another savvy move. Flying into a nearby city and taking a bus or train to your destination can be cheaper and add a sense of adventure to your journey. Don't forget to check smaller regional carriers, as they often have hidden deals that major airlines don't. Booking at the right time is key. Studies show that purchasing tickets 2 to 3 months in advance for domestic flights and 3 to 6 months for international ones can save you the most. However, last-minute deals are also worth checking out if you're feeling spontaneous.